Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video. So today I'm going to post a video about couple of shoes. I'm going to just show off. My first shoe I'm just opening. This is going to be the unboxing. I'm so sorry. I was not supposed to do this. This is and So before buying the shoe, I should have bought a new scissor. This is very difficult. Okay, this is campus. So the MRP, what is the MRP? The MRP of this shoe is 1,300, but I bought it for 899 in Ajio. It's nice. The sole is too good. It's a plastic. Not, I thought it would be rubber. I think it is a plastic base. Sole. I don't think it is good. I have to wear it. Let me wear sometime. Looking at a lifetime. Okay, don't go anywhere. I have one more shoe. Wow. This is what is this? I bought a campus shoe and that came with the campus branded box. This is a Nike shoe. This is a 3,200 rupees shoe. You can see they are putting it in a normal box. This is I don't think I like the quality of the shoe. It is very hard. The sole base is very hard. Sole is somewhat fine, but it is going to be painful for walking like this. So let us see the MRP of the shoe. The MRP of this shoe is 3,995, but I bought it for 2,200 in Ajio. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I don't think I'll be able to wear this shoe because it's feeling very heavy. I don't think it is actually Nike. It looks very premium, but if it the weight is too heavy, I don't think I won't wear it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll come back with a lot of different videos with different whatever I'm going to buy, I'll put it on this channel. Thank you everyone.